Once you've downloaded the package, navigate up here to Window. Then UI Toolkit. My bad. Editor UI Toolkit. Once you've downloaded the package, head up here to Window. Then Editor UI Toolkit. Once here, we have a few options. Right now we are on the icons navigation. Here, you're able to sort by category, type, or name. And here, we can filter by whatever type we want. We have some shortcut buttons and a search bar. In the icons panel, we're able to see all of Unity's built-in icons here. If you want to save one of these icons, you can hit this button right here. To be able to see all of your saved icons, head over here. Here we are able to see all of the saved icons, including all of our saved styles. If we navigate back over to the icons, if we want to use this icon, we're able to hit copy, and the name that's right here will be copied to our clipboard. As you can see, we are able to sort by whatever type we want. If we navigate to styles, this is the section where you can see different type of styles and how they're used. This is just an over brief of most of them, and to see more detailed descriptions, you can head over to these here. We also have a cursor section, and to be able to see how the cursor would look, all you need to do is hover over it. Again, you can save your style right here or copy it to use later. In the save section, to remove any saved styles, just hit the remove button. You're also able to preview all of your saved cursor styles inside the save menu. To search, come up to this bar up here and search for your icons. As you can see, these are the icons that are available with this name.